Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options that will appear, select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to give it a couple solid seconds, and from there hold power button and volume down at the same time. When you feel the vibration, you can let go of the power button. Now if you start holding it a little bit too quick, you won't feel that vibration, as if you do it too quickly, the device never takes the power button. So if in matter of, 5 seconds you're not feeling anything and the device isn't booting into this, then while holding volume down, let go of the power button and start holding it again. And then, like I said, when you feel the vibration, you can let go of it, but keep holding volume down. This will bring you to this mode right here, and then using volume buttons, you want to have a recovery mode be visible right here, like so, and then press power button to confirm that option. Next, we will see Android with no command. And there we go, so hold power button and press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. Just like before, you can use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options that we have here, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have restart reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. We have dedicated fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.